there. Thanks for joining me. What I'm planning to do today is a bright orange with red. Without further ado, let's start with some basics and let's get that shit on there. Today I'll be using Il Makiage. My shade specifically is number 35, which is woke up like this. Let's start the transformation, shall we? Really get that chin. Alright. Beautiful. Bam! This is Boing. It's by Benefit, and this is a fantastic concealer that I have been using for a while, and I really like how it covers up the darkness. I'm not a sponsor. Look at that side, this eye, that eye, this eye. I hope it's even. I think it looks pretty good. I should probably brush these babies out. There is a scene from the original Hairspray that has stayed with me right in the beginning where they're getting ready to do the show. The guy's just like, let's transition over to the color blending. Time to do the fun stuff. So for my base today, I am going to use Kylie Jenner palette. I am going to be using this citrine color. You know what? Okay, just to not make it scream, I'm also going to be blending it with this Jasper color. And I'm gonna now push that baby out a little bit. Blend it out, you know what I mean? If you don't know what I mean, you're about to find out. I changed my mind. We're going in with the straight orange. Still needs a little bit more orange, but I think we should try to start evening out. Oh, wow. My hand is starting to hurt. I think we got a decent base on. You want to build from light to dark, so I'm actually going to start with a yellow light orange on the inner side of my eyes. I forgot the setting powder. I'm actually going to take this Boing again and put it in on the inside of my eyes. Let's dive into this yellows like we're submarines. I'm actually going to bring the yellow all the way out and see what it does. I think this might actually work out well. Bam! Yellow. Now I am going to take... I'm going to go in with like a macaroni and cheese orange. But with what brush? This one seems like a good choice. Like a little paintbrush. Just... I'm loving this macaroni and cheese orange. Now let's add a little bit of red in there. So in order to tell you where I am getting this red from, I'm just gonna say a makeup palette that I got for Christmas a few years ago. Just gonna touch that up a little bit. Can go back in and powder it on there. Gonna go back in with the yellow, try to blend it all in with everything. We're gonna need serious pickup over here. We're gonna patch this in 3, 2, 1, bam. Let's do the other side. Now that my eyes are looking a little fiery, the one true battle. Okay. Liquid liner. I'm ready. This liner specifically is by Luxillia. It's a magnetic liner for the lashes that I will be wearing today. Let's do this. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere. Round 1, winner. Ding ding. Now for the challenging part. Gotta make this look like that. Be the liner. Which hand should I do this with? Perfect. Getting a lot of this stuff in my eyelashes. Think the lashes will stick. What did I do? No! That sucks. With a Q-tip and a little bit of luck, hopefully it doesn't look that bad. Well, I think it's dry. I'm gonna do some big lashes. Sorry, Mom. We're gonna go with these ones. These are also from Luxillia. They're big and super out there. Just gotta like blend this corner in, I guess. I mean, it's like sticking more to my lashes than it is my face. Slight panic. This is booty. My favorite part. Highlighter. Got cat hair. I'm gonna make my face glow. You hear me? Oh, you want to know what palette it is? It is the Morphe highlighter palette featuring all these beautiful shiny colors. We're gonna go with Lit. This yellow shade Lit. I like to decorate my face. Nice. I am going to be using this Total Temptation to do my bottom lashes as well as my top lashes to try to make them blend in a little bit more. Blush situation is also going to be a little weird for me because I have no idea what it's called. It comes in this little clay jar, and warning, if you are allergic to shellfish, you cannot use this stuff because it is made of oyster shells. It creates this orangey look, which this stuff can be used for, you can use it as an eyeshadow, as a blush, as a all over your face, make you look tan. When you're pale like me, it definitely helps out. But for now, I'm only going to use it as a blush. It's time to top it off with a little bit of lipstick. What I end up usually doing is just mixing a bunch because the first one just doesn't look right. I'm using these Kissing. It is a matte liquid lipstick. This shade is specifically Kristen. Now that that's too pink, I'm going to top it off with like a brick red by the same company, but this one just happens to be Leo. I should have just gone with this one in the first place. Alright, and now I'm just going to touch it up because I got it all over my face. And there you have it. Bam! Shazam! The final look. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I hope to see you again soon.